Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess what we're cleaning today? We are working on cleaning my backyard space. This is one area of our home that I have completely neglected for the last couple of years. We've been in this home for almost 4 years now, and I'm just getting around to setting up this space to where we can use it a little bit more. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. My husband has been so helpful with getting this space together. He put up the awnings that I got from Costco, and he also helped clean the rug on the ground to get us all set up. So we'll go ahead and listen to some good music as we clean. I'll probably pop up here and there and explain a couple of things, but so far I'm going to just let you enjoy the video. We wanted to have a sense of privacy back here without really taking from the look, because we have an HOA that is really strict and we don't want to go against them. So getting a earning that we can just roll back up and have it tucked away when we don't need it and down when we want to use it was definitely something that we were looking for. So I was really glad to find this from Costco, and I got them online. I'm still waiting for two more to come to cover this left side of the patio. We have an L-shaped patio, so we wanted to have all of it or most of it being covered whenever we wanted to have that privacy. So once that comes in, I'll definitely share with you what the earnings look like being put up and how we set them up, all that good stuff. But for now, my husband is mopping the floor out here. Now we have some of those square mats that you can get from Walmart. I got mine from Walmart 4 years ago, and this was a suggestion from somebody that works on privacy fences. I was looking to get the floor in that home resurfaced, the bucket space. And when the guy who was working on the privacy fencing that we were having done, when I asked him if they could do that, he told me that I should probably just get the tile squares from pretty much anywhere. Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, they all carry the tile squares, and that it would be a lot cheaper than trying to have the cement resurfaced. So we did that in that home, and we actually loved having that. So when we moved over here, we just went ahead and put it in because we don't like to wear shoes inside the house. But then when we get out into the bucket space, you don't have your shoes, so you don't want to be stepping on the cement by itself. So it just made sense to have one out here. We've actually enjoyed having it out here. We just try and clean it as often as possible. I will own that I haven't been very good with keeping this clean, but my husband tries and cleans it once a year. We use this mop that we have that you can use on your rugs to clean them. We just use it out here, and you can probably see how dirty the water is because I haven't been keeping up with it. We've only been cleaning it about once a year, but it's held up really, really well. And I actually do recommend these if you're looking for something that you want to put down on your, cemented bucket space. I don't have any complaints about it.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel. But I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking.
All right, so with the floor being clean, we're going to go ahead and set up this area. I got this four-piece outdoor seating from Costco as well. We've had it out here for a couple of days because I haven't had time to put it together, but we're going to be working on it today. I had them delivered, and I think this piece is really nice. Now, our space is kind of awkward. It's L-shaped, so I wanted to make sure that I wasn't crowding the space, and I also wanted to kind of have like different sections to it. I set this whole seating set in one area, and then I left the two chairs that we already had in a different area. Those were also from Costco, but those I have had for almost 8 years. I still love them. They're still holding up just fine, and I did not want to get rid of those. So I put these on sliders, and Aiden was out here helping push it so that we can get all the boxes out of the way and we can set up this area.
Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, 'cause they knew you from the womb, and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. All mine. I'm jealous of the seasons as they change, 'cause they seen you through the rain, and you ride through all the waves. I'm jealous of your coworkers all day, 'cause they get to pick your brain. And I know this might sound strange, but don't mention none of your exes, erase that list. 'Cause in my mind I gotta pretend that they just don't exist. Ain't no my fault, you're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind fade. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm just jealous, jealous. I'm kiss your face. No, don't let nothing take my place. I know it sounds crazy, babe, but I'm jealous. I'm selfish.
So just to be clear, none of these decorative pillows came with the set or even the other two chairs that I have that I've had for a while. These are all decorative pillows that I have collected over time, and all of them are from Home Goods, maybe with one or two that are probably from IKEA. But these are items that I've had with me for a long time. I'm just repurposing them and not buying anything new. So I'm shopping from my closet and just using those out here because I will be covering this up every night so that they don't get dust or any water spilled on them. They will be fine under the covers. This set came with its own covers, so I'm very grateful for that. But then for the two chairs on the opposite side, I had to buy covers online a couple of years ago, and they do really great with just keeping the chairs protected.
Left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day. Time again, I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day.
All right, so this concludes all the work that we put out here today. I love how it's set up, and here is a look of how everything turned out.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast. about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise, I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world from the other. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe.
That's all that I have on this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope to see you in the next one. For now, take care and have a wonderful day.
Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking